create a program to create a simple calculator that uses the switch statement to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So similarly, like this program, we have to create another program for calculator. First of all, we create a class and calculator. In this, we have to do the same things and we copy from this where the value 1 enter the value 2 is A is B. In case of in the place of the string, we have to take the character which is C. Then we to return sorry, we have to take input C character C equal to scanner dot next. So character we have to next we have to write the next char. Why it is not working? Yeah. Scanner dot next line. Sorry, we have to take input and another we have to take the output. For output we have to write string output. A plus B. A minus V. A multiply by me. A divided by B. Output is output. But to enter the number is 12 and that is 15 and we have to write the input. And so the invalid input. We got 56 14. What is the problem in it? We have to add another line so that our program will run correctly. Enter number 1 to help and 15 on every of two baby. Now our program will run correctly, like we have to enter 14, then we have to enter 15. Now we have to write the bit operator, we have to use plus and it goes 59, and similarly we will do for another input like it is 45 and the 5 we have to write the divide, then it will show the line. Our program is running absolutely fine. Thank you.